In this tutorial, I'll show you how to optimize Minecraft Java Edition. Firstly, search About in your Windows search bar. Click About your PC and compare your specs with Minecraft's minimum requirements. Lower the render distance, shorter distance, load less of the world and save resources. Switch from fancy to fast on graphics and turn them off for smoother performance, like lightning and clouds. Lower the field of view if you're experiencing FPS drops and set the particles to minimal to reduce animations. Disable VSync because it might require adjusting your GPU settings. Then turn MIP maps off. It reduces unnecessary texture bleedings. Disable biome smoothing for better chunk rendering and performance. And finally, experiment with screen mode with windowed or full screen to adjust it based on your system. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.